Hello everyone. In this video, how to fit text in table in Google Docs. Let's begin. First of all, select text, align, already selected middle, then right click on your mouse, table options, see this quick layout options, style, alignment, left, indent, in C, column wide, change your column wide, column data type, date drop down, fill, etc. And row minimum row height, pin header row, cells, and see this main option cell padding. See this result. That's it. Color. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.